Hey everyone, and welcome to day 9 of the 12 days of stickers. So I'm just gonna open this, and just a quick reminder, these are available in other formats for planners. If you just need a smaller kit, we do have those, and we also have bigger kits as well as these without foil. I just wanted to show you guys what these look like with foil because I know those look different than like the normal sheets. By the way, I also fell like literally like maybe 20 minutes before this video and my knee hurts really badly, so I'm just trying to get through this one really quickly. So we have the chai kit for today, and here's what that looks like. It has the gold foil just like accents on there. It's perfect for when you need like a touch of fall. I kind of just wanted this kit to be like a touch of fall type of thing. But here are the functional boxes, the functional icons, and then the checklist boxes as well. But that is the essential version of the chai kit, which is day 9 of the 12 days of stickers. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 8, and make sure you check out the deal of the day down in the description. So that is it. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye everyone.